programmer, my name is Surbi Goel and in this video I gonna help you to make a simple registration form just using HTML. For that first open your HTML editor. I suggest you to use Sublime Text Editor, then create a new file. Now I gonna write a basic HTML structure format. I gonna write register form in between title. Now to create a form, type form tag in body type, table tag in between form, creates first row with tr and td for table data where we put name and input field. Now first I gonna write name again, type td, then type of following code, input type text, now again type tr for password field. Now write td and password, then td again for input field or password. Now write a following code, input type password. Now let's see how it's done here. You can see form only contain name and password. Let's type some additional code for input box, type placeholder name. For password field, placeholder password. Here you can see the changes after adding placeholder code. Now add a code for gender. For that we have to write tr and td again, then write gender, create another td to choose male or female. Write input type radio and name gender. After that type male and then type same code for female also. Here we have to choose one, so for that we have to type same code for male or female both. Now save this code and look how it turns. So here you can see male and female appears. Now after that type tr and td again for email. Now type input type email, then type td and write following code. Let's see how it's done. Now write placeholder email. Now it look better. Now write tr and td for phone number. That I gonna write td for the list of country code and write select tag and option tag. Where you can write a country code. Now select this line of code and copy and paste it 4-5 times. Now replace with another country code. Now write following code for phone number, input type phone, and placeholder as you can see on the above. Let's see how it's done. Now save it and see. You can select country code. After that, at last TR and TD for a submit button. For a submit button, write input type submit. And value submit. After that, see the result is web browser. Here you can see submit button is added. Now after title tag, I apply H1 tag. Here I write registration form. Then save it and see how it turns. Here you can see there is registration form displays there. And body tag, I write busy color, background color. Here I write yellow. Then you can see there is yellow color appears. If you have any question on this video, then drop it on comment section. Please like and share this video to your friend, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.